Hey guys, Jason Clemons here from Clemons Boats, wanting to personally invite you out to one of our 2 open houses, either Saturday, January 25th or Saturday, February 1st. We've got a ton of inventory in stock, new, used, and brokerage for you to look at in one of our 3 heated showrooms and also our 4 heated storage buildings. So we have nearly every model that we offer that you can come here and see. Not only that, but you can take advantage of boat show pricing and specials all the way through February 1st. So don't miss out on your chance to come in here and meet our staff, see our facilities, see all our boats, and get a great deal, all while getting out of the cold in a nice heated showroom with music, food, and beverages. Please RSVP below. We get extremely busy during these events. We want to make sure we have one-on-one time for you. So again, RSVP below, and we would love to see you come out and talk boats with us. Thanks.